Okay, so this is not the focus for our street, but this is the back side of the street that we're going to focus on, which is over on that side. And it's just they beautified it and made all this beautiful artwork in it. This is actually Rua do Guimarães, and we're going to be going on the other side. So so stay tuned. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to be going around that corner in a second, but before we do, I just want to capture some of the artwork in this area. Kind of like a little old style. So yeah, they beautified this entire block, so they just painted everything. This was about maybe 7, 8 months ago, maybe 9 months ago. But you can see how they beautified it, and they put all these different colors, yellow, it's kind of color coded where you can see like a blue, green, yellow, pink, red, pink, and lots of artwork as well. So we're gonna go around the corner and show you the main street of this artwork and this beautification project. Kind of cool. I don't know if that's Portuguese attire. I guess it must be old style. Okay, let's go around the corner. You can see more of our beautiful artwork on that side too, right? A little bit dark, but you can see the colors of this. So now you can kind of see it a little bit better, I think. A little bit dark to be filming colorful stuff, but I think we're able to capture it, so we're gonna go for it. If you're really interested, you can always come back to. There's some towels, Spider-Man and things like that. So this is gonna be our focus street. Looks pretty well lit. There's even a bus stop right here, 18. It's pretty dark, but you can see some of the colors that we're gonna have a better view of the colors in a second. And then this is called Rua de Cinco de Outubro. So that's right there. Rua de Cinco de Outubro. So that's must be that's coming up pretty soon actually. It's September 26 or 27 right now. That's funny, last time I was here I remember also having a hard time crossing that street. This is kind of a busy street. It's kind of a pedestrian street and kind of a thorough street too for cars as well. Let's check out the beauty of this. So now we can kind of capture some of these colors, right? Red, yellow, blue. Kind of getting air conditioning. Looks like stuff kind of dropping off of the from up there. Better not look up, I might get air conditioning radon in my eye. There's a Royal Supermarket right there. Getting a little bit dark to film, but we'll just capture this one anyways. I think we can capture the colors pretty well in here anyways. And the street doesn't go too much further. It's kind of cool though, right? So I can capture those colors a little bit. There's a Royal Supermarket right there. Okay. So Cinco de Outubro. And then we're gonna keep going a little bit further, but there's also a little bit of a outdoor market area right here. It's kind of a cool spot. And you can eat and drink in that corner down that way as well. See if we can just get down in there a little bit. Yeah, there it is. I've ate here once before. Nice. A little patio all the way down, and then you got some food right here as well. Hello. Nice. Okay. So let's keep on going down the street a little bit. I think that was the gentrification, colorful stuff kind of area. We'll keep going a little bit further. And we'll probably end. There's a lot of people walking around in this busy little street. Oh yeah, there's another street right there with cool stuff too. Yeah, right there. So we're going to keep on going down this street a little bit further. Wow, 15 and 10. That's actually one of the cheapest that I've seen clothing for. 10 mop is like about $1 American dollars. 15 is about 2 American dollars. So that's really that's a really good price for clothing. And this is something that I don't see very often, but this is actually a really cool little space. Somebody owns that space, and they just put like really cool stuff, like Marilyn Monroe. I don't know how well we can see it, but that's the focus of our street that we just did, and this is the one that we are going to end it in a spot in a second. Yeah, that right there, you can see, I don't know if you can see all the details, but you can see guitars, amplifiers, speakers, all kinds of stuff. Elvis Presley, Marilyn Monroe. There's a bunch of famous people. We kept walking. Yeah, this is a good spot right here. Let's see if we can get across here. I can definitely keep walking way down further that way. Yeah, that is hard to see at nighttime, but it's a pretty cool building. And that was the one that we just focused on, is that one right there. So I think we're going to end it on that spot right there. Pretty busy little street though. Chiquinha,